Hi everyone, watch my previous video if anyone wants to know the procedure of COVID test at Dubai airport. Now coming to the second part, at the time of check-in you have to submit this one form, and one important thing, don't carry extra luggage more than allowed in your ticket or unless you paid for extra weight, because they will ask you to pay or remove the extra weight. Once check-in done and luggage dropped, and if you got a middle seat in row B or E, then they will provide you the PPE kit which you have to wear before going in the bus or aircraft. I suggest you to wear in waiting area because you will not get time to wear while boarding the flight. Once you board the flight, you will find food box on your seat. Here you can see what will be available. My opinion is to carry some food before starting the travel because you will not get food after this. Now once your flight landed, don't move from your seat unless cabin crew call row wise. Meanwhile, download the Arogya Setu app and do the registration because this will help you to escape from queue before immigration. If you don't have Indian mobile number, then you can enter any one of your family member and get OTP. Once you deboard the flight and when you reach near to the immigration area, there they will take both form and one will be returned to you with stamp. Please note that it is not mandatory to fill same address of your passport. You can fill where you want to go. Then you will walk little bit and again one guy will make Xerox copy of your stamped paper and he will return you original and Xerox copy. At last, you will find queue of those who did not downloaded and registered Arogya Setu app. If you already registered, then just show to the security and escape easily. At immigration, you have to give this original stamped copy. After immigration, everything will be normal. Collect your luggage and exit the scanner. Now here you have to wait unless they call your flight number. Here no one will maintain the distance. Now once you reach at desk, you have to tell them wherever you want to go. There will be separate counters for other state passengers. You can travel and get quarantine in any district inside Maharashtra with the help of e-pass which will be prepared at the counter. I will upload the return journey from Mumbai to UAE in future. Have a safe journey and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Hope you like this video. Bye bye.